Hi, I'm Dale Popovich, and I'm giving a workshop, two-day workshop at LOLA in Land O'Lakes, October 20th and 21st, which is a Thursday and Friday. My main focus is going to be on temperature, how to understand the warm colors and the cool colors. Each tube of paint has a different temperature to it. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you. I have charts that I'm going to show you. I'm going to demonstrate for you. And we're going to do 2 paintings the first day and 2 paintings the second day. The warm colors are going to be noted in fall scenes, because we're painting from fall into winter. And the cool colors are going to be noted and emphasized in cool scenes, which this is the beginning of the Wisconsin River. I will supply the photos for you. I have all sorts of photos from the Northwoods up here. And it's going to be a fun workshop. It's going to be interesting, and a lot of questions can be asked. You can take pictures of what I'm doing, or as many pictures you want. So come and join me for this wonderful workshop to celebrate fall and winter.